vient porter toute information ba ou. Que c'est l'en acheter caille, que c'est l'en vendre caille, que c'est louer caille, que c'est ranger caille. Toute information qu'on besoin chaque mardi à 5h de l'après-midi dans Facebook page One Shop.
Mes amis fanatiques Kenya Haïti, est-ce que nous faisons le groupe qui est les acheter Paul là déjà? Si vous faites ça qu'on y a. Parce que moi, mon bon ami qui est The Nice Agent, monsieur fait un travail extraordinaire dans la communauté. Un travail excellent.
Moi, c'est The Nice Agent. Mabdou, chaque mardi, 5h de l'après-midi, Facebook page One Show, pam, live. Vinter de acheter Paul. Oui, côté The Nice Agent, a vient porter toute information ba ou. Que c'est l'en acheter caille, que c'est l'en vendre caille, que c'est louer caille, que c'est ranger caille. Toute information qu'on besoin chaque mardi à 5h de l'après-midi dans Facebook page One Show, pam.
Mes amis fanatiques Kenya Haïti, est-ce que nous faisons le groupe qui est les acheter Paul là déjà? Si vous faites ça qu'on y a. Parce que moi, mon bon ami qui est The Nice Agent, monsieur fait un travail extraordinaire dans la communauté. Un travail excellent.
Moi, c'est The Nice Agent. Mabdou, chaque mardi, 5h de l'après-midi, Facebook page One Show, pam, live. Vinter de acheter Paul. Oui, côté The Nice Agent, a vient porter toute information ba ou. Que c'est l'en acheter caille, que c'est l'en vendre caille, que c'est louer caille, que c'est ranger caille. Toute information qu'on besoin chaque mardi à 5h de l'après-midi dans Facebook page One Show, pam.
Mes amis fanatiques Kenya Haïti, est-ce que nous faisons le groupe qui est les acheter Paul là déjà? Si vous faites ça qu'on y a. Parce que moi, mon bon ami qui est The Nice Agent, monsieur fait un travail extraordinaire dans la communauté. Un travail excellent.
Moi, c'est The Nice Agent. Mabdou, chaque mardi, 5h de l'après-midi, Facebook page One Show, pam, live. Vinter de acheter Paul. Oui, côté The Nice Agent, a vient porter toute information ba ou. Que c'est l'en acheter caille, que c'est l'en vendre caille, que c'est louer caille, que c'est ranger caille. Toute information qu'on besoin chaque mardi à 5h de l'après-midi dans Facebook page One Shop.
Mes amis fanatiques Kenya Haïti, est-ce que nous faisons le groupe qui est les acheter Paul là déjà? Si vous faites ça qu'on y a. Parce que moi, mon bon ami qui est The Nice Agent, monsieur fait un travail extraordinaire dans la communauté. Un travail excellent.
Moi, c'est The Nice Agent. Mabdou, chaque mardi, 5h de l'après-midi, Facebook page One Show, pam, live. Vinter de acheter Paul. Oui, côté The Nice Agent, a vient porter toute information ba ou. Que c'est l'en acheter caille, que c'est l'en vendre caille, que c'est louer caille, que c'est ranger caille. Toute information qu'on besoin chaque mardi à 5h de l'après-midi dans Facebook page One Shop.
Mes amis fanatiques.
C'est quand Christian regarde un show que les acheter Paul. Son show que nous faisons pour nous capables de porter éducation là, faire caille pour toute communauté. Que ce soit question gain là, faire acheter caille, ranger caille, vendre caille, louer caille, nous là pour nous porter information pour nous pas demander pour payer, information gratis. Ça seulement nous demande partager live là parce que pas jamais connaît. Gado a gon moun qui sur groupe Facebook, groupe WhatsApp, c'est information ça que vous besoin juste pour capable commencer carrière pour y aller dans real estate ou bien pour acheter premier carrière. Donc tant pis partager. On bagay que moi toujours aimé dire parce que m'tande le trop c'est haïtien passeport haïtien et que vous pas veut travailler avec haïtien voler, haïtien ceci, haïtien cela. C'est pas vrai. Dans toute communauté toujours gon moun qui essayer faire ça pas ça. Mais on bagay me veut dire on moun pas prend avantage de ou, moun nan prend avantage de ignorance. C'est ça pas connait faire moun nan essayer passer sous. Donc je dis prend plume, prend papier, enregistrer, vinn prendre information. Nous allons parler de caille, nous allons parler de qui est difficile pour un monde qui self-employed, un monde qui travaille à tête, qui pour l'acheter caille, mais en même temps tout moi une surprise pour nous que si nous déguetons sur page nous ka qui surprise lié, bah je dis on va quitter que surprise là c'est lui même qui introduit tête même si c'est nul parce qu'on va ouais figure de pour connait qui est lié.
Oui, hello, tout le monde, bonjour, good afternoon. This is going to be the English part of the whole show, okay? C'est Success Junior et m'dame dit tout le monde qui branché, bonsoir et m'dame dit acheter Paul. Merci en ville for having me. Moi, c'est Succès Junior, victime. Maman Junior, je me connais, hein, c'est petit garçon, Maman Junior. Bon Dieu pour moi, Maman Junior pas là aujourd'hui. Hein. So,
nous allons parler.
yeah, on va pas.
You know, on bagay que m'bral di la en public, m'a dit tout le monde ça que encore une fois, succès, merci pour gala parce que si c'est pas de succès négatif gala, m'pa pas ce gala tape même mon gala. Il tape peut-être un petit fête. Mais c'est succès qui fait gala en gala. So brother, thank you so much. We appreciate you. We love you, man.
Listen, man. Et puis m'bat fait pour gratis. So yeah, you welcome. You welcome.
If no, comment nous y was quoi there, Jean-Max Rigaud, vedette. Ouais, vedette vini bonheur, je dis, alors des succès là.
Vedette is
Yeah, Vedette was at the gala actually.
Oh, okay.
Vedette flew from Pennsylvania.
Wow. Okay.
Yep,
Yeah.
she
Hey,
came.
hey, Vivi. Hey, Vivi.
So success. Now, m'konnais que peut-être you told a lot of people, but I want you to tell our fans, how did that whole thing started? Like the whole Success Junior, Mama Junior, where did that begin?
You know, it began with it's when you're a comedian, you see the light in everything, and so when I was growing up, I was always on punishment. So imagine, I rarely got to watch TV like that and stuff, but I started to tell people my story, and I thought it was unique, but I'm not unique. C'est tout le monde haïtien qui 90 most of them. But yeah, I started telling my story on Facebook in 2015. I thought Mama Junior was, someone unique. And then my Facebook page, Instagram, and everything became a place of therapy. So c'est là tout le monde, they unite, and then we speak about our traumas.
Bon, mais success get a continue live. Vedette dit hello Juju.
Bébé! Comment vas-tu, bébé? Ça va? Yeah, that's all I know.
You know, one thing that people don't know is one of the very first thing that Success did. Yeah. Actually, Circle Pat Kone ended up at my house.
Yes.
And when we met again, I'm like, yeah, I know you.
Shouts out to Chef Lemire.
Chef Lemire did that. Yes.
He showed us how to make griot.
Yes, it was. Yeah. It was griot that day.
Yeah.
Yep. Chef Lemire is, I'm going to say, my very first friend.
Oh,
we
wow.
met I was walking into kindergarten. And then we met, and then...
Non, des histoires, des moments seuls, ou connaissez menti. Chef Lemire. So you didn't have any friends up until kindergarten?
Kindergarten, non, for me, it's cousin, kindergarten, and then, quand on a dit que comme si nous fait toute classe nous ensemble, jusqu'à philo, and then, guess what? Monsieur parti, et puis go là au McDonald's, et puis là regarder qu'est-ce qu'on travaille au McDonald's, la chef levé là à Miami. Quand nous tous de Miami tout.
How do you know he était bon compte, il était
non, pas de problème ça. Non, pas de problème ça. Alors Edith Jacques, bonsoir. Donc yes, so pour tout le monde, nous toujours qu'à répondre questions sur affaire Kai, so s'il vous plaît, posez questions sur affaire Kai. Je suis sûr que succès pas les questions sur affaire Kai tout, ça c'est sûr. But moi-même, moi voulais tout le monde connaît qui est-ce qui succès, côté succès sorti, qui bon succès pour aller, parce que ça c'est très important tout. Et qui gens que nous-mêmes nous qu'à supporter succès sans ça que l'a fait. Parce que en pile des fois, j'aime te répéter dans le commencement que en pile monde pense que nous pas supporter un autre. En pile monde dit ça et moi-même moi pas connais pas poser question. Moi-même moi pas ouais ça. M'pas ouais que communauté a comme ça. M'pas connais pour l'autre monde pour moi-même moi ouais que communauté a vraiment embrassé. Regardez j'aime dire vedette sorti success all the way from Pennsylvania just to come. She was the first person, the very first gala that showed up.
Wow.
The first person. I never forget that. So yes, because of that, moi toujours dis que that's not true. I don't know. How do you feel about that sentence? Haïtien pas support Haïtien.
Well, one, I'd be a hypocrite, right? Because I tour, I see the people, like the shows, it's nothing but Haitian support. So now being at the comedy clubs, and now you'll see Haitian comedy shows there. And it only happened because of support.
That's true.
I could post, I did a show here and it sold out. But for me to do comedy for the last 10 years and live off of it, that came from the utmost respect that I get from my for my
For
supporters.
sure. No, for sure. And I tell people that all the time. It's not true. People do support people. Like,
Yeah.
and mostly the Haitians, because one thing I'm gonna say, long Haitien décide supporter, il bi pap lage yo, ok? And ça pour moi même c'est un bagage qui est très important que nous admirer et nous parler plus de lui pour que tout le monde connaisse que it happens. It happens que we support, we help each other, we lift each other up. That's very important. Dumont Gladys, thank you. She said partage everyone. Wow, everybody's sending hearts.
Potage, everybody.
Potage.
Potage. I'm speaking the Haitian American.
Now, I'm going to ask a question. What is the hardest part of being Success Junior?
You know, it's texting people back on time. That's you know.
Okay, I complain a lot about it, but it's okay.
He did off the camera, so why not, right? Why not? We're being honest here today, okay? That's the hardest thing about being successful. Yeah, text. I could call. But I could truly say one of the hardest thing is that as a comedian, people think that you're always in a great mood and you don't have bad days.
Yeah.
You know, like one time my car broke down in the middle of the street and a fan passed by. I was like, "Oh, everybody seen you up?" And I was in scrubs. My hands were dirty. I'm trying to start my car. He got out his car, took a picture with me in front of my car with the hood up, and then
that's hard.
You know,
that's hard.
But I couldn't be like, "Hey, man, move away from me," because, yeah.
No, but you know, it's something que moi-même moi toujours ouais success comme si fin gon dernier level of I want to say respect. Respect is a big word, but it's like I would say empathy. Que living back when I say parce que l'excité que le wall il pas gagner vraiment. Like moi-même I remember I'm going to Orlando, and when I'm traveling, boot short sandal, I'm going because I'm gonna drive, you know. 1 o'clock in the morning, service station. I pull up, I'm gonna get coffee, and then everybody's gonna use the restroom, and then man, I just opened that door and this guy was like, "Achte I'm like, oh, and then everybody started looking, and I'm like, whoa, like, you know? But yeah, it's sometimes we are I'm que people should think about it before, but they get so excited, I guess.
And you know, one thing I realized over these years is that a lot of people feel like they know me personally because of how I'm telling the stories. So I get it all often. Like, I feel like you're in my house, like you're a sibling of mine and stuff. So I'm not saying like, you know, I oppose it, but I can say, you know, sometimes you do want your privacy, but I welcome.
No, that's we got about 100 people that just joined, so let me tell them, wap gade un show que le achte kay Paul, son show kote que nou pote toute information qu'on besoin là faire acheter kay, ranger kay, vendre kay, louer kay. Yes. Bagay que nous toujours dit, on moun pas prend avantage de ou, on n'a pas avantage de ignorance. S'il vous plaît, partagez la. Je dis à nous avec Success Junior, ou ka toujours poser question sur affaire kay, ou ka toujours poser question m'a répondre yo. But je dis à nous pral quitter Success poser une question tout et en même temps tout n'a poser Success question. So if you ever had a question for Success, don't hesitate. Si vous voulez poser question, allez dans la page One Show, pam. Parce que c'est là que moi-même m'a regardé. So si que vous allez poser question de l'autre côté, nous n'avons pas well, but soit dans One Show, pam, vous êtes capable de poser question et nous répondre. Jessie connaît send you flowers. No, Dumont Gladys send you flowers. Sorry. Dumont Gladys send you flowers.
Thank you.
And then Jessie connaît dit, depuis autant d'elle pile anglais, ça c'est Junior.
That's right.
So Mama Junior,
I like it. I like it. I love that I've trained you guys all these years. Finally. Because if I don't come back but le map fait video Mama Junior and Junior depicts the household. Il y a un peu m'pa dire diaspora parce que diaspora c'est là on moun fait go there and they come over, right? But Haitian Americans and with first generation Haitians, they would say.
Yeah.
There's no English. Like the parent would speak Creole and the child would speak English, and that's how it is. And I think that's one of the few things that people feel like they relate.
And you know, I made the mistake with my daughter. Automatically, my daughter's raising, I was speaking English to her, and now I feel like, my God, what did I do? You know, and I wish I could go back, But I don't know why we do that. And I think it's a cultural thing. I don't know why we do it.
It is. And then some women, you see how people are saying, oh, la parle anglais, la parle anglais. But at the same time, it about what way.
Yeah.
There's so many words. And if you come to my show, by the way, my new tour kicks off May 15th. Lauderhill Performing Arts. It's called Son of a Haitian. Yeah, Son of a Haitian.
Mwen pral mette link lan pou nou achete ticket pou show a. Map lan show a. So si yon pil moun bezon vin avem, vin avec Junior, nap la. So please allez à l'acheter ticket. Map mette la konnen, je si konnen. Tel pri copy paste li pou mwen, mette l tout côté pour tout moun capable acheter ticket pour May 15th.
You guys got to get the shows. I mean, got to get your tickets. It's going to be an amazing show. But back to the topic, right? So, pa gon moun ki chita avem ki di mi kon sa, men sa ki baz, men sa ki biblo, men sa ki siwo miel, men sa ki miel. Like, no one said, but yet, we're looked at like we're supposed to do it. For example, I had this one uncle, I thought he was going, like, I said for sure when he dies, he's going to hell, right? Because he used to come to my house and then my dad come to my house Saturday mornings. He would come pick up my dad to go fishing with him, right?
Yeah.
And then my dad would always hide because my dad didn't want to go. But I didn't learn until I got older that fishing doesn't mean sin. Like he was really—
That is true.
He was really asking my dad to go fish with him. Who would have told me what the difference between fishing? How was I supposed to know that?
Nou pa pensa ba sa ouve, non? Nou pa pensa sa. Nou just, l'anglais difficile, oui. L'on ap reflechi.
And we make it harder. Because think about a term, saknela. Now I hear people say aknela. So which
one is right? Ou bien,
aknela.
ou bien boy said, no, you keep asking for Colgate. Like, I was like, I was literally 20 years old when I found out Colgate was actually a brand.
You see? Okay, what about Frigidaire?
Boss, that's all about it.
No, that's the same thing. Frigidaire is a brand. Fab brand. We took the brand and made it the name. And there is a proper term for earthquake. But the Haitian, we still turn it gudu, gudu, gudu.
Depuis le February.
Gudu, 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 gudu. Like, we literally came up with a word from...
So guys, we have like what, 400 people now watching us. I said, merci tout le monde, merci en pile qu'on regarde nous. Succès avec nous aujourd'hui, on a parlé de la vie, succès, on a parlé de acheter. So s'il vous plaît, succès gain on show, 15 mai, map là, succès, pas qu'à parler là, parce que c'est show pas lié. Donc, map dit nous, à l'acheter ticket, nous sommes mettez link là pour qu'on y a là, one show, pam, regardez, ou après link là, à l'acheter ticket pour capable de venir nous là-dedans. Yes, tout le monde dit, oh my God, c'est pas menti, non? Tout bon, depuis on comprenne. Depuis on m'a répété, depuis on comprenne, je sais qu'on a dit.
And that's what's right. But here's the hard line, right? Parce que yon vil moun, yo fâché avec nous about the word de l'eau. Do you guys know how hard it is to say de l'eau? I can't say de l'eau. Like my Haitian American tongue. My Haitian American tongue can't say de l'eau. Okay? What do I want? I want glow. Glow in the dark, glow at night. I want glow. GLO. But yet, you know, a Haitian will do de l'eau, de l'eau, de l'eau. How many lows?
No, it's bon. My biggest struggle, c'est que moi levé depuis un grand monde, c'est pour gars ou pas regarder l'enjeu et pour pas comprendre. And then I come here, and here I am in real estate, and then my brokers keep telling me, Carl, look at the people in the eye. I'm not supposed to. Look at the people.
You see?
Like, you
see? Am I for tout pour dire? Am I for tout? Pas regarder l'enjeu.
Non, ou pas oui, ou pas regarder grand monde l'enjeu. But like, okay, ou pas essayer faire dire la monde pas baisser tête tout.
Okay, so when did your parents sit you down and say, okay, kounya ouvi non l'âge, I got to lot grand monde nazi. No one told you that.
Never.
But it's okay though. If you guys come, well, when you guys come to my show, May 15th, I have a segment of a part of the show which I love dearly, or two of them. One of them is a Haitian spelling bee. Everyone thinks that they know how to spell in Haitian Creole. Tout haïtien français, yo kon écrit, right? Up until the show, that's when people realize that they cannot spell.
No, they cannot. I remember though when you did in Christmas.
Yeah.
Like I could not get some of them. I'm not gonna lie. But it's crazy that we don't think about those things. And that's one thing que moi pral dire. Moi c'est que gen 400 moun k'ap gade yon ap d'accord avec que succès pote en lumière là un problème qui existait que nous pas jamais pensé avec. And I'm going to tell you success this in person live on TV. To me, you are the Haitian Eminem. I'm going to tell you that for real. Because you took a struggle, you took a cultural problem, and not only you made it inspiring, and you made it fun. And now you're making people aware of things that they would never be aware of. Like Eminem did that. And I always say, I'm not a big rapper like listening, but Eminem, when you're looking at the songs come from that pain.
Yeah.
And to me, you are. That's the way I see it. All right. And to that, I'm gonna say congratulations.
Man, thank you. Yeah, it's if I knew it was gonna work, I would have did it way earlier. But you know.
Now, are we struggling with the success part of it? Like, because now you are successful, you are known everywhere. Is there any struggles that?
Yeah, of course there's struggles because now I'm known everywhere, but my bank account didn't catch up to my fame. Okay.
Welcome to the club, my friend.
Ça veut dire que tout le monde pense riche. Bagal travay DoorDash, bagal faire Uber, bagal travay dans Ross, bagal faire sécurité.
No, that is one thing. Like I remember, there was a guy that said, "Oh, ouais, depuis monsieur fin fait show al 24 kay." I'm like, "Oh, really?" I had a guy that came to me the other day and he was like, "Oh yeah, I would like to do commercials for you and do certain things, but I want to charge you like $10,000 a month." I'm like, so I had to Google and show him what a realtor makes on a yearly basis. And then, you know, the reply was like, "Oh, okay. It didn't make sense for me." You know?
Of course, yeah. No, but I can truly say it's been a journey.
I'm sure
it's been a journey, and it takes a lot of sacrifice. Anything worth having takes a lot of sacrifice, and I can't say I've sacrificed a lot, and I've seen the fruits of my labor. But yeah, definitely a lot of sacrifices.
You know, when you use the word sacrifice, it's big because people don't understand that part. That for you to get anything that is worthy, you have to sacrifice something. And sometimes they don't understand the amount of sacrifice that we go to for us to be able to do certain things. Because when you start getting successful, certain friends, it becomes a problem. When you start getting successful, certain family members becomes a problem. And it's very difficult for you to try to keep the balance. And sometimes people don't know that. I heard it a long time ago. The top is lonely, but I never figured it out until you sort of making it close to the top.
Yeah.
And sometimes making it to the top doesn't mean money wise. The fame is part of it. What you're doing is part of it, and that's when you realize that people just. I don't want to say the word, but it's not envious, it's not jealousy. I don't know what it is, but for some reason, drama just keep piling up.
That means you're close, and I can't say I was you know I've been in this business for a very long time, and I've got some my share of lessons.
Yeah, the same here, man.
But I you know what the crazy thing is that, you know, with money and fame, people change. But I'm starting to realize the person who's succeeding sometimes is not even the ones changing. People around you just automatically change, assuming that you would change, because really, if they were in your position, they would not be the same person that they are.
Ouais, I'm gonna tell you that success. Moi, pas jamais pensé que ni success, ni money, ni fame changer ou même. Moi, pensé que les multiplier mon ouïe. You are a good person, you're gonna be 10 times better.
Yeah.
You are a horrible person, you're gonna be 10 times worse.
Yes.
But the people around you, for some reason, they create expectations without talking to you. You know what I mean? And that's when they start changing because they felt like, oh, I'm gonna tell you a story that nobody would understand. I'm doing something at my house, and somebody stayed at my house at the moment. And it was the kitchen in my house that I'm doing. And the person says, "Oh, ou pa ou la fait cuisine la ka li konnen nou pa yon gen kob nou côté pour nous rete pa aider nous pito. The person staying at my house. Okay? So when you hear those things and you're like, now you have to react.
Exactly.
You know what I mean?
Like, how can you just stay quiet?
But somehow it becomes your problem. Now it's your fault, you know?
Yeah.
So it is very important, and I want everybody to know that. But we're not saying for you not to strive to be successful. That's not what we're talking about at all, people. We're not doing that. What we're saying is you gotta be willing because it's coming regardless. And you cannot let it stop you. I can tell you the minute you go above it, everything comes normal. I can tell you that. Friends become replaceable very easy. Family, they come back sometime, and sometimes they don't come back, but it's all good. Yeah. What I'm saying is the reason success is success is because God chose a path for him. There's something he's about to do. There's one joke. There's one tour. There's one event that's going to change somebody's life, and that's his purpose in life. Yeah. The same with me. I sell somebody a house, their whole family changed. That is my purpose in life. So you cannot allow someone, whether a friend, a family, whoever it is, to stop you from fulfilling your purpose. So that is what I always tell everybody. Vedette dit succès, l'argent pas changer li. Amplifier moun que ou te déjà hier, mais que ou pas jam ka éclater avec. Yes, it's true. It's true.
That's true.
Je sais qu'on a dit c'est maman junior lapton. Non, maman junior.
No.
Ouais, maman junior nous bon l'autre mat, nous va faire pas.
You can't attendre anglais. You can't attendre anglais. Hi, how are you? But another thing about sacrifice that I do want to touch on
of course,
when you look at everything on this planet, no matter the religion, there is what's the term?
Give.
My old manager had said one time for buy or I forgot the term, right? But when you look at it in every type of religion, whether it's Buddhism, Voodoo, Catholic, Christianity, everything God asks you have to give in order
to receive.
So it's definitely a lot of giving.
You know, I was coaching someone the other day, and I told them because he had that thing that en créole, comme gantre pas sorti, you know. And I told him, like, I'm sorry to tell you, c'est pour ça toujours pas gen kob, because the money was made in order for it to flow. So at the end, what I told him, and I don't know how I came up with it, and it was real, you cannot expect to receive what you are not willing to give. So, and the problem, what most people don't know, success, the giving come first. Yes. So people are going to be like, but I don't have it. How am I going to give it? The truth is, God knows your heart. It's because he knows you're willing to give it, so he blesses you with it. And I tell people that all the time, but they don't understand. And that's why you see, sometimes you toujours dire que, God, you n'ai chance. Next time, tu vas tout à fait la marché. Next time, you get $3 dans poche, you get $4. L'allemand de prêt $1 pour buy $4. You know? Et puis demain matin, you get $20. Like, you know, it's crazy.
So, Carl, I have a question, right?
Of course, talk to me.
This is a house question.
Of course.
I remember one time, because I'm in, obviously, guys, it's no secret. He's also helping me get my property, okay? But you mentioned something that I feel like a lot of people shouldn't know. You're mentioning something in regards to Fort Lauderdale or Pompano, that there's something, like there's a program.
Yes, we do have a lot of programs. I know Hometown Hero just stopped, but next year it's going to come again, which is what they call, it was designed for COVID, for the police officers, the doctors, and then they open it up now to all professionals. So it's every year they come up with $100 million, and then everybody can apply for it where you get 5% of the value of the home. City of Fort Lauderdale has a program. I think they give you $12,000. The problem is you have to buy in the City of Fort Lauderdale, and they have some criteria. Problème qui gagne avec bagay ça, ou qui te pose une question hier. Majorité grant, you get an income requirement. And the problem you have with that, Junior, is the property values also have an income you have to have for you to be able to afford them. An example, you're buying a property for $500,000. Your mortgage is typically going to be around $35,000, $4,000. Let's say that. You would need an income of at least $9,500, let's say $10,000, at least for you to afford that home. for you to get the grant, your income cannot be more than $4,000. Like, it's a trap.
So
like
that's like having the red light and green light at the same time.
exactly. And I don't know when. Like yesterday, a lady, she's a nurse. She needs the money. Oh, by the way, success. Somebody did win the $10,000 from the gala. She's under contract. She's under contract. So yes. So now, with that said, she could not qualify because she makes a little bit too much money, but she doesn't have the money for it to close. So it's just a trap to me, and I think they need to resolve that. I mean, but en parlant de Fort Lauderdale avec Pompano, a lot of things are going on. The city of Pompano just invested $27 billion to renovate the entire city. So if you drive on Atlantic right now, it's just a whole complete different
I know what
thing.
that means, guys.
You know,
Gentrification.
yes, this is gentrification.
Man.
It does not mean you cannot be part of it.
Oh no, I am going to be part.
Yeah,
I'm
means
going to be the gentrifier. That's me. Call me Genty.
Which means today what you do is you buy a property. A lot of people, yo pas vla acheter ton kay parce que, donc, for exemple, sonje maman junior te vle fok la, you know, c'est château al ralier, li va d'accord ti kay sa. Eh bien, ça que m'a dit tout le monde, là que bagay ça va fait, ou mettre à l'acheter ti kay sa, ok, à l'acheter, because ça peut arriver go côté, they're gonna need it from you. They're gonna need it. There's no matter what you do, your house could be the smallest house on the block. The minute they start building up, somebody's gonna knock on your door. And that's why I tell, like Little Haiti is the perfect example. A 2-bedroom, 1-bath built in the 1960s, right now it's over $900,000. And when you look, the first person bought it for 40 grand.
Wait, what?
Yeah, no joke. It's crazy. It's crazy.
You see?
It's crazy.
Nous kon qui est to blame. We know. Nah,
but it is crazy. It's crazy que you get to that level que m'vle que surtout communauté haïtienne nan, they understand what buying properties mean. Okay? Que at the end of the day, ou acheton kay jodia ou kembel pendant 20 ans, 30 ans, whatever ça li, ou gen on bagay que ou ka ou vendre demain pour sortir. Imagine que ti moun sa yo, parents yo t'acheté pour 40 en 1940. C'est grand-père qui t'acheté for $40,000, right? We're talking a good what? Almost 90, 80 years. So 80 years. Junior, please. Mais c'est que ça fait maths toujours. Je m'appelle les fins en mathématiques là. Ça, oui, Tu vas faire en anglais ou bien créole? So yeah, almost 80 years. So let's pretend that the grandfather probably passed by now, right? So imagine that $40,000 investment the grandfather did. Today, is it the grandkid or the kid is definitely a millionaire. Okay, definitely. There's no way around that.
So you're saying it's best to capitalize off of this moment right here.
Oh yeah, because it's happening. The whole Miami. Like right now, Overtown. I don't know if you remember Overtown back in the days.
Yeah, I was born and raised in Miami. I remember
it's
Overtown.
no longer Overtown, man.
Now it's Undertown.
No, now it's Uptown.
Uptown.
So if you don't pay attention to those things, and that's why I always tell everybody, you need to have a team around you. Like you have a realtor, you have your lender, you have people that knows. Like, hey, this is happening. Like I have a friend of mine. Every year he buys a property in Fort Lauderdale. Every single year. You just buy one. And I'm like, bro, I don't think you should put all your eggs in the same basket. But every time I say that and I see something in Fort Lauderdale coming up, I see something coming up. Yeah, it's going to work. It's going to work. And like Miami, I had another friend of mine. He's a doctor. He bought a whole street, right? And I thought it was a mistake. Right now, that street is around Northeast 6th Avenue and 140th Street. There's not a house there that is not 1.1, 1.2.
Oh.
He started buying them at 300. Okay? So to me, is moins vle que tout moun connaît que acheter kalan is mandatory, and don't keep thinking it has to be the most beautiful house. Just buy something. Sometimes you may don't want to live in it. Rent it out. But buy something whenever you can. Like right now, what do we do with money? Eat, go to a bar or go on vacation.
Or come see Success Junior May 15th.
No, that one they have to do. They cannot. Don't save that one. That one, trust me, parce qu'on besoin retirer stress pour qu'à vivre longtemps dans cas là. So yeah, that one we're not gonna save. But yeah, but at the end of the day, if you cancel one vacation and you buy one piece of property, my friend, in 10, 15 years, you'll be like, what happened? Because yeah, the other day we had somebody here about retirement. You know, success. Nous planifier l'amour nous, avant nous planifier retirement nous.
Wow, that's true.
You know how crazy that is?
Wow.
Like, on moun apre l'acheter life insurance, la paye cimetière, la paye funeral arrangement, but li pa pense à retirement. Et gon koto a privé, success.
Because, yeah, no, listen, the good thing about what I'm doing is that now you guys see that I'm playing Mama Junior. Once the Bob Blush comes in completely, I have another 30 years.
Yeah.
Right? I have another 30 years. I don't have kids yet. I still got Gun Junior, Tati Junior. Yeah. No, but I definitely understand.
No, it is something that I want people to think about because you never know tomorrow what tomorrow's gonna bring. Sometimes you can't work. Sometimes you just get fired. Sometimes things happen. So I want people to keep thinking about those things because like when you rent it. Like I'll tell somebody right now. Imagine the minute the Biden program started, right?
Mm-hmm.
If somebody came in that day and then they bought a piece of property. Today, that piece of property from the time Biden started to today would have probably gained about $200,000 if it was either in Fort Lauderdale or Miami around there.
Mm-hmm.
So, même moun sa ajot zak oblige tourner la kali. Success, imagine you going back to Haiti with $200,000. Your life changed.
Yeah.
Okay, your life changed. Or let's say now you can rent that property, you go to Haiti, and then you're receiving like $2,000 a month, $1,500 a month. Your life still changed.
Yeah.
So that's why I'm telling me, again, some people, they believe in crypto. Some people believe in other stuff. I'm not saying they're not good.
Yeah.
This is what I know. So this is what I can tell people that work for me. And I do believe, like the other day I was talking to someone and I'm like, yeah, if something happened, I can sell this house. That, it's powerful.
Yeah.
It's powerful. Like everybody's saying, oh, the market is this, the market is that. Oh, what about this? And I'm like, okay, if this happened, we'll sell this one. And then, so like this now you have a plan. And that's what I'm telling everybody. Comme ba en créole, lui qui dit, faut commencer bonheur pour toi ta pa baro. So, spelling bee. Commencer bonheur pour toi ta pa baro. Everybody's saying partager. If you guys have any questions, si nous avez des questions pour Success Junior, par exemple, posez question.
Yeah, et toutes les mesdames yo, et regardez, m'gé bon crédit, et I'm just kidding. I'm just serious.
Et pour ça faire mon yo pas so pas bad day là.
I know, but even when I'm good, people laugh at me. Like,
no, but this is another thing. Isn't it crazy how we can turn it on and off?
Yeah, I can't say that.
Oh, I'm gonna tell you, I could come here. Guys, I'm being real. I'm being like me right now, vulnerable. I come here, I'm having a bad day, clients issues, every problem, and they just say start, and then whoop. Like,
what's up, everybody? How you guys doing?
Like, but like I'm toujours pas de tête moi. How do we do that? Like,
it's a gift within itself.
Yeah, it's crazy. I'm always saying that. Like, when you click the boop, okay, nobody would even notice something is wrong.
Like you just had a horrible day, but they won't see it. That's a blessing for us.
But again, it's professionalism on top of it.
Yeah,
it's you give value to. This is one thing que moi toujours dit. And I'm sure you see it that way. Like, even if somebody pays to watch Achte or somebody pays to come on your show, for that person to give you 2 hours or 3 hours of their life, it's priceless.
Yeah. Because
they will never get that time back.
Yeah.
And for them to choose to do this, like right now, you have people like Jean-Max Rigaud, Vedette, Jumon Gladys, Jesse Cornet. It's been 5 years, my friend, every Tuesday. Wow. Every Tuesday.
Achte Paul, guys.
They never missed. And how do you not give them your best all the time? And to me, that is what matters. It's you have to be professional at the end. Diversion, that's true. Oh, bon, succès junior la diversion, so m'bral faire mariage là, diversion avec Jessie Cornet. So success, diversion moi de Jessie Cornet marié. So n'attend Jessie Cornet répondre.
Oh my God. I've
Okay.
been waiting forever for someone to please get engaged at one of my shows. I have this amazing joke.
Bon.
I've had it for 6 years, but I need somebody to.
Eh bien, diversion, wap vini lan, succès junior 15 mai, Jessie Cornet, wap vini lan succès junior 15 mai, bagay sa bral bel.
You know, I could actually marry people.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay. Bon, diversion.
I'm ordained.
I for rezoud. There's a very good question. Vedet di, si yon moun ta vle pou junior vin anime nan anniversaire li, ki jan process a ye, ki jan ka join success junior. What is the phone number? How can they reach you for you to get to celebrate with them?
It definitely email, because with me, I love what I do, and I would do anything for a plate of legume sometimes. So definitely my team that I have an amazing team. Yeah.
Ok, mabral mette, vedet, mabral mette email success a pou la.
Vivi.
Ouais, Vivi.
Merci, Vivi.
Mal mette email la pou la konya, et puis nous capable email success si nous besoin. M'kadjo. Bon, vedet tel la nan gala, so vedet ka wè ki sa success ka bay. Ok? Et vedet, m'kadjo ke malé lot event success. Gala, ou poko wan.
Yeah, I have such a beautiful show lined up, and I got some celebrities coming through. Achte Paul is actually one of my sponsors. Thank you guys again, man, for the sponsorship. We're gonna have a great time. Bring your mommy. It's a clean show, even though I just kind of added a very edgy part to it, but it's a clean show. Bring the whole family. It's a celebration of Haitian heritage, Haitian Flag Day weekend, South Florida. Yeah, that's it. That's mbagadi please passe ça.
And depuis nous bral nan show a, nous ka mentionner Achte Paul parce que the nice agent Achte Paul c'est on sponsor.
Yes.
So mentionner yo because you never know. Maybe you get a discount, maybe you get a t-shirt, maybe you get a picture with Success Junior. I don't know, but you get something.
Please,
all right?
just come and say hi to them because he said that if 10 people says hi to him, he's gonna waive his realtor fee for me.
Oh,
So, that's what he said. I don't know. I've never known him to be a
est-ce que
liar.
Maman Junior me dit ça ou bien Junior?
Maman Junior, ma chine.
Bon, vedette, vedette a vini le 15 mai parce que vedette dit nan gala elle était tellement timide, mais mon petit photo le va pas avoir.
What? Listen, come on, Vivi. Come on, I'm waiting on you, Vivi. Big hugs for you, Vivi. And you know, one thing I love and I brag about, I don't brag about my my talent so much, but I do brag about that. I am a charming individual and I have the most beautiful women that comes to my shows. Okay? Ça veut dire que ça, l'on vient dans show si c'est junior. Mettez bel talon kiki tout. Voilà, dit quel talon kiki sont pas fait ça. Mettez bel talon kiki tout. Fait cheveux. Hey, cheveux, mommy. Yes.
Yes, sir.
You know? Parce que j'ai bon crédit, ma la chonkai. You know?
Oh, diversion pour mettre ton carré, bah je suis connais. So diversion, même temps de diversion dit, est-ce que je suis connais à venir le 15 mai? Je suis connais, dégage, ou pas capable là parce que succès pareil pour le faire mariage ça.
Yes.
J'entends beau, thank you. So, yes,
And then I have a new series with Maya Ferry and Mama Junior, and I can't wait for you guys to see that live on stage.
Awesome.
Just did a video. It did
Yeah, they well.
very well.
They well.
And so we decided to take that live on stage with Mama Junior and Maya together.
And you know, this is another thing that I saw during your Christmas show, the collaboration. Okay,
Yeah.
like again, nous levons up garder the number one comedian Eddie Murphy, Steve Harvey, all of those things, and I'm seeing you bringing that into the Haitian community because vérité c'est que depuis l'Empire nous ouais moun sa yo, but nous pas jamais lever dans level ça.
Yeah.
Okay, and to me, ou gen moun ta ku piram na Gishat, all those people were amazing at what they do, and I want you to keep doing it because Maya, Plus, you know, all of those people, like you can. actually come to a point where maybe one day we're gonna have something as big as the how do they call the comedy one?
There's Comic
Def,
View,
Def Jam. Yeah,
Yeah.
like we can do it.
Well, listen, one of my many dreams and goals is to eventually work with you so we can get my own comedy club.
Let's do it. Let's make it happen, man.
I don't think there's ever been
No,
a Haitian owned
comedy club. Yeah,
Yeah.
I love that.
And
Why
then-
not?
Yeah.
Why
So,
not?
Yeah, and then you know, Achte Kaipo is gonna help me find the best venue.
We're
because
gonna
what
make
they
it
do.
happen, man. That would be a great thing,
You
actually.
know, I must admit that I really like that about your business because it's like when they say Haitians don't support, Gende Mun, you know, their business. They just run it any type of way, and you're supposed to support it just because Haitian. Yeah.
That's not true.
Because
It's not
down
right.
in Little Haiti, there's still some places that don't take card in 2026. You see what I'm saying? Like this,
Bah, ça a son problème.
right? But I really like how I see you work with commercial,
Yes.
private, and
Yeah.
everything. So kudos
Yeah.
to you, man.
No, thank you.
That's
Thank
cool,
you.
man. That's really dope.
You know, the beginning for me was my very first person was I can say it now, but it was Trina. You know, Trina the rapper, right? She was one of my client. And
Trina the rapper?
Yeah, the Trina.
Oh,
Yeah,
you're not
so-
supposed to announce her like that. It's Trina the baddest.
No.
You don't have to say the other word, but you have to
I'm
say
not gonna say that.
You,
I'm not
you're
gonna
supposed to
say
say
that.
Trina, keep Trina.
And then
the
from
baddest.
there, man, she introduced me to a lot of people, and then one day I rented the house of one of my listing to the manager of the Dolphins, and then from there, the Dolphin players started coming, and those people, when they love you, it's you. It doesn't matter if they're buying in New York. It doesn't matter if they're buying in Miami. It's you. And they made me understand that it was never about selling properties. So for me, it's all about you. Like, and my slogan before I work until you smile, that's what it was. It's all about you. Because they made me understand that they're not buying a property just to buy a property. They want the whole experience and they want you to be part of it. So that's what I'm trying to do all the time, man.
Yeah, man. Like, you're doing it. And I feel
Thank
like
you. Thank you, man. Thank
one
you.
thing that the newer generations, we like to focus on. The past is the past. We like to focus on the negative. I feel like this generation, we're progressing.
Yeah, we have to.
And
We have
yeah,
to.
you're like yeah, it's called Achte Kaipo, but you're like the Chick-fil-A of real estate.
That means a lot, man.
Yeah,
Someone
man.
just actually say that. Jean Tombeau, mwen gen yon kay grâce à show ça. And that's the reason why we do it. It doesn't mean que, you know, on moun oblige relem pou mal montre le kay, pou la... No, it's just like, I want you to have the information. I want you to understand the information and then go do what's best for your family. That is what matters the most. Yes, Carl is the best. Thank you, Jesse. Thank you, Jesse.
So now, if someone now, I did you say that just whatever it is, if it's a small house, whatever you can do to get a house.
Yep.
Right now. So what would be like the number one thing to start with?
Number one is the credit. Because if someone is self-employed like us, most of the time we cannot use W-2s or things like that for us to get approved. So we use our bank statement. So whatever deposit we made, sometimes in the last 12 months or the last 24 months, they equals all of them together and they create an income out of that. So, but they will not give you that opportunity if you don't have a credit score of at least 680 to 700. If somebody's a lender, if I'm wrong, correct me. So yes, then now what happened is a lot of us, we're still trying to understand the whole credit situation.
Okay.
And what I'm telling everybody, Christine on her show, kap vini la konya apre sa jere tax ou, Christine pral parler de tax, jodi pa denye jou, demain denye jou. Christine toujou di ke your credit and your taxes, c'est identité financière. Qui veut dire que if you don't take those things seriously, then you get blocked every time. Mwen kon tande de say de moun ki di, oh, mpa bezon paye l'hôpital, mpa bezon paye machine sa ou met pren. Wap paye l quand même. OK? Parce que système américain son boule kap vire. So jodi a la laisse que ou à l'hôpital ou à payer l'hôpital là. No problem. Yo krase crédit. Ou à laisser acheter ton kay, au lieu qu'on gagne 5%, qu'on a gagné 8%. Ou pas payer l'hôpital là. You know what I mean? Like
So you paid it.
You will. You're just you take the money from the hospital, you give it to the bank donate it to the hospital. That's just the way it works. There's no other way.
Et mes frères, Memorial Hospital. Tant toujours.
Oui, on can faire one now. But yeah, so that's basically what it is. It's at the end, I feel like you do that, you fix the credit, and then of course, most of the time, if you use the bank statement, your pap kito made 5% down, they're gonna ask you to put 10% down. Okay? And that's just what it is. So rassemble un petit cob et pour acheter ton kay. But like I said, maybe 10% down ou ba un kay $300,000. Ou ta remè un kay $500,000. Yo. Ou gen do a di, ok, la prend 2 ans pour me save l'argent, m'acheter kay $500,000. You know what happened? Success en 2 ans? The 500,000 now is 750. Yeah. You know, so at the end, plutôt te prend ça 300, ou fait le tourner 500, and then ou vend pour l'acheter ça 750 là. And I say that all the time to people, like, do what you can, when you can, how you can. Okay? I'm going to repeat it. Do what you can, when you can, how you can. The reason why tomorrow is not yours. You guys know about the story of my friend, Charisse. Charisse came to the office. She just got her license. And then she was going to join the NICE agent. Then she found an opportunity in Jacksonville. From that one opportunity, success. In a space of like 7-8 months, breast cancer, ovarian cancer, skin cancer. You don't know what tomorrow is, okay? So always be ready. And I'm thinking about those things, and I'm like, wow. I'm thinking right now, if it was me, what would happen? You're not ready. So instead of waiting for it to happen, be ready. And this is something big. This is something huge. So what I'm telling everybody is, take things a little bit more serious. Prends sans nous, commencez à réfléchir l'autre gens, gardez essayer de petits bagages qui va faire sens, pas quitter au gaspiller l'envie non, parce que at the end of the day, les mêmes pour job c'est cancer ou même gain doit son yo révoquer le travail ou gain doit son divorce, gain doit whatever ça arrive, gain doit son l'amour dans famille là. Just think about it, because nous pas penser à faire. Success nous juste à vivre. Nous pas penser que what if this happened? What if this happened? And I have one of my friends, li toujours dit ça, li dit why tout le monde là YOLO. You only live once, right? Mm-hmm. It's all great if you die at 40. What if you die at 90? You know, like, a whole bunch of time. So that is something that I believe everybody should really be thinking about seriously. Like, what if this happened? Are you ready? Okay.
Carl, I don't understand how you're gonna end the show.
No, we're not gonna end the show yet.
Note, and then have me on this serious show that
no. Now, we have 4 minutes left. What do you have for my fans?
This reminds me of the time that I did comedy at a wake.
No.
Yeah, they love me a little too much. Like a wake. I mean, last time they won't.
No. But hey, you know what? It's a celebration of life. Hey, I see it, but I wouldn't do it, but I see it.
I mean, he wasn't mad at the jokes.
I'm sure, right?
I don't think he was worried about that. But May 15th, guys, May 15th, it is I can't stress this enough. Oh, you know, one thing I realized is that I'm not promoting that. This is my 10th year anniversary in Haitian comedy. Yeah. Yes, it is.
See, I didn't know.
I didn't know. I would have put it all over the flyers. 10-year anniversary, guys. 10 years. Mama Junior turned 10.
Somebody asked achte kay pour question, so I'm going to answer it. Qui j'ont contrôlé yon equity lon kay, Carl, s'il te plaît. So equity. Equity is the value you have in your house less than your debt. En exemple, sou gon kay qui vaut $500,000, ou dwe $300,000 sou li, 500 moins $300,000, 200 critères, c'est les mêmes qui equity. OK? On bagay que m'a toujours dit nous va recevoir un paquet de flyer qui va dire prends equity dans cas là. Yo, seul gens pour prendre equity dans cas c'est vendre. De pour refinance, ou faire HELOC, ou demander et prêter equity à pas vendre. Et moi même moi dis au monde ça, m'pas trouver le faire sens que le temps bon Dieu faut cadeau encore et pour prendre la banque pour prêter intérêt sous comme ça. So si vraiment besoin, obligé vendre cas là, prendre à faire ça pour faire. Si qu'on y a un l'autre business ou pral faire ou gen doit prendre un HELOC qui coûte 5% intérêt ou un business direct ou pral vendre ou bien ou pral faire comedy show avec Success Junior ou investir dans $200,000 ou faire n'importe 20%, yes, al prend hilo là, OK? So, but après ça, faut faire très attention. Success.
What do you mean 20? 20 is high, right?
OK. Now mettez le 19.9. Like, you know. But yes. So, pour tout le monde qui est là, m'a dit nous encore une fois que success, man, I'm going to say it again, you're the Eminem. I'm going to tell you, keep doing what you're doing. This is very important to us. It's good for the community. It is great that you're shining light on situations that most of us, we don't want to talk about.
Yeah. Thank you, man. And thank you for having me. I really appreciate
Always,
it.
always,
really
man.
Appreciate it.
Sur ce point-là, m'a dit tout le monde, merci parce que nous devons dans le show. Je suis connaît, thank you encore. I love you guys. Next Tuesday, 5 de l'après-midi.
Yeah, here, blow blow.
Les fanatiques Kenya Haïti, est-ce que nous follow groupe qui est les achte Paul là déjà? Si vous faites ça qu'on y a. Parce que moi, mon bon ami qui est les The Nice Agent, ils font un travail extraordinaire dans la communauté. Un travail excellent.
Moi, c'est The Nice Agent. Mabdou, chaque mardi, 5 de l'après-midi, Facebook page One Show, bam, live. Vinter de achte Paul. Oui, côté The Nice Agent, a vinn porter toute information ba ou. Que c'est l'en acheter kai, que c'est l'en vendre kai, que c'est louer kai, que c'est ranger kai. Toute information qu'on besoin chaque mardi à 5 de l'après-midi dans Facebook page One Show, bam.